first, we're gonna start with this. Negative. We're gonna start with this. It's gonna go out to our first cell, negative, and then from there, we're gonna start with our balancing wires. So the very first wire is gonna go to our first cell's positive, which would be here, and so on. So the next balancing wire will go to our second cell's positive, which is here, and so on. Third cell's positive, which is here. Fourth cell's positive, which is here. Fifth cell's positive. Sixth cell's positive. Seventh cell's positive. And eighth cell's positive. This is the control negative. So it goes to the charger and the load. Right, the charger negative and the load negative go. Okay, so I think I got it, and I think it's working. So the negative here, we have our first battery negative here, and then like I said, from right to left, right, or to the label from top to bottom, then it would be this first wire go to your first cell's battery positive, like I said before, and so on. Your second to your second cell's positive, third to your third cell's positive, fourth to your fourth cell's positive, fifth to your fifth cell's positive, sixth to your sixth cell's positive, seventh to your seventh cell's positive, and the last one to your eighth cell's positive. And that keeps the batteries balanced. This goes to our negative load as well as the negative charge, so I can charge and discharge from the same wire. And I believe it's working. I'm getting 16 volts, which means this thing needs to be charged. Okay, so the way this works is, I don't know if you guys can see those in there, but those are MOSFETs, and